after Mamata Banerjee met with protesting doctors visiting their protest site as an outreach, the Chief Minister also invited junior doctors for a discussion. The doctors have agreed. The meeting is happening at the Chief Minister's residence, and a delegation of 15 doctors will be a part of this huddle. Hopes that now there will be an end to the stalemate that we've been seeing between the protesting doctors and the Mamata government. Suryagni Roy is joining us with more details on this. Suryagni, it took a personal visit by Chief Minister Mamata for the doctors to feel assured that, their demands will be met. So we're expecting finally a meeting between the delegation and Chief Minister Mamata to happen anytime now at her residence. What are the demands that they will put forth? What will it take for the protest to come to an end?
Akshita, the past 6 hours has seen major developments that were not really visible in the past 30-35 days. Thankfully, communication is on the table. That's what we understand as of now. As you mentioned rightly, that Mamata Banerjee visited the doctors, spoke to them, and publicly said that she will not take any action against anyone. She saluted the movement of the doctors and assured them of meeting their demands. However, those demands will only be met after her discussion with her officials, and she requested the doctors to get back to work. The doctors welcomed this particular move, so that was also a very important aspect of this of the proceedings of the day. They wrote back to the government that the doctors are ready, they want to speak to Mamata Banerjee and ready for a meeting anywhere, anytime. And Mamata Banerjee's Chief Secretary replied back that today at 6 p.m. The doctors can visit them at her residence, that is Kalighat. Somewhere a lot of, in what we have seen in the past couple of days, what we do understand is that, somewhere it's getting informal. Maybe that is what was required to have a breakthrough in this kind of a situation where the ice wasn't really melting on both the sides. Now, these doctors are coming to Kalighat, where Mamata Banerjee resides, and they will have a discussion. Very importantly, there was the issue of live streaming, which somewhere stopped the meeting last time. This time around, in the mail that the doctors had sent to the Chief Secretary, that wasn't really mentioned.
Okay, so it looks like there's been some middle ground that's been reached. The doctors no longer seeking a live broadcast of the meeting. Thanks, Suryagni, for joining us with those details. 35 days there's been a standoff, and finally junior doctors met with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee after Mamata turned up at their protest site, a personal outreach by her. Now, she's vowed that she will go through their demands, and this follows a statement that 29 people had died due to the disruption of health services during protests. Now, it remains uncertain whether the TMC government will actually go ahead and give in to all of the demands made by the agitating doctors and whether they will return to work. At this point, they are treating patients at a makeshift clinic outside the hospital. Now, the meeting between the protesting doctors delegation and Mamata Banerjee is expected to start any time now. And this is happening at a time when the protesting doctors, remember, had written to President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking their intervention.
আমি জানি আমার পোস্টটা বড় কথা নয়, মানুষের পোস্টটাই বড় কথা। আমি আপনাদের কাছে বলতে এসেছি, কাল সারা রাত ঝড় জল হয়েছে। আপনারা যখন কষ্ট পেয়েছেন, আমিও সারা রাত ঘুমোতে পারিনি। আমারও কষ্ট হয়েছে। এই ঝড় জলের মধ্যে আপনারা যেভাবে বসে আছেন, আমার মানসিকভাবে কষ্ট হচ্ছে। আপনারা আজকে 33 দিন 34 দিন আমিও কিন্তু রাতের পর রাত ঘুমাইনি, কারণ আপনারা যখন রাস্তায় থাকেন আপনাদের জন্য আমাকেও কিন্তু পাহারাদার হিসেবে জেগে থাকতে হয়। আপনারা অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছেন, আর কষ্ট না করে যদি আপনারা কাজে ফিরতে চান, আমি আপনাদের প্রতিশ্রুতি দিচ্ছি, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব।
Ma'am, even you saw the Chief Minister over here. How are you looking at it? Any breakthrough possible? What do you think?
Actually, we want some meaningful dialogue. Only extended dialogue can't help. We need something very constructive and organized plan for resolving this issue.
Now, do you think that this kind of crisis that we are seeing, this can be solved through dialogue only? What do you think?
No, definitely not. We want some steps, positive step to resolve this issue. And she has never speak anything about resolving anything. She has only come to stay. That please resolve these things. I am with you. That's all thing will never help to resolve.